Alright, in this lesson we will use ratio reasoning to convert measurement units. Alright, this will be fun. So, as usual, we are going to start with commenting our problem to solve. So let's go ahead, I'm going to paste this in. And as usual, go ahead and pause the video so that you can key this in. Do that now. Alright, we have it keyed in, so let's begin by commenting our first variable, because you guessed it, commenting is very important with regard to Python programming or any type of programming. So we're going to comment that n equals the number of units. We're going to start by declaring a variable, and then we're going to use that variable called units and float that variable and convert it to different types of measurements, and you'll see what I mean by that in just a moment. So we're going to go ahead and declare the variable n and give it the value of 10. Alright, so let's comment our next variable, and we're going to say convert millimeters to inches. And we're going to say when 1 millimeter equals 0.03937 inches. Press enter, and we're going to declare a value called I, which will stand for inches, and we're going to make that equal to n, which is our number of units, times 0.03937. Now let's print our results. So we'll say print, and we're going to say n, which is our number of units, comma, open our quotes and say millimeters, equals, close the quotes, comma, I for our variable, comma, open quotes, and type the word inches, a period, and close the quotes. So let's go ahead and run this particular part of our code, and when we click run, we will see that 10 millimeters equals 0.3937 0.00000, right? 5 inches. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken our number of units, multiplied it times the value of 1 millimeter, and it has converted it to inches. Very, very cool. Alright, let's try another one. Alright, so let's give ourselves a blank line. Let's comment our statement. This time we're going to convert, so type in convert, kilometers to miles, where 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621377 miles. Okay, so you know what we have to do. We have to declare a variable. We'll call it m for miles, is equal to n, which is our units, times 0.621377. Now we must print our results. So we'll go n, and then we're going to say kilometers equals, close our quotes, comma, in, comma, I'm sorry, comma, m, as in for our miles, comma, miles, period. And if we run this code, we now see that 10 kilometers equals 6.21376999999 miles. All right. So we're basically taking a number of units and then using those units to convert specific units of measurement to other units of measurement. Let's try one more. As you can see, I had a lot of fun with this particular objective. All right, so let's convert. Let's comment this out. Convert. Let's do metric tons to US tons. And I've got a mistake there. Let me clear that up. Okay, and we'll say where or when. Okay, and I made a mistake up there too, didn't I? Let's correct that. There we go. When 1 metric ton is equal to 0.9072 US tons. Okay, so now we need to declare our variable. We'll use t, and we'll multiply n times 0.9072. And of course, we need to print out our results. So we're going to say print n is comma. We're going to say metric tons equals, close our quotes, t, comma t, then another comma, and we're going to say US tons, period, close our quotes. And if we click run, there we have it. Now, if we play with this number, our number of units, let's say we switch it to 33, we click run, and notice how our values change. So we could do this all day. Let's change it to 21, click run, and notice how the units of measurement change. I challenge you to go out and add your own lines of code to convert other units of measurement. Maybe 2 to 3. See what you can come up with. Well, that is it for this particular objective. I hope you've had fun. See you later.